The guys spent their entire budget on a brand new lake home and are enjoying their minimalist design. Let's see how they spend their remaining budget today on EGTV.
Found you.
Yeah. Hey, we got any cold cuts left in there?
Damn, dude, we're fresh out.
One of us is gonna have to run to the store and get the essentials. But only the essentials.
Just the essentials.
Good luck. Hey man, what'd you get? Oh, that's nice.
Whoa.
That thing's huge.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Beep, 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 beep. Good call on this TV and mount.
It's essential.
We have any money left for our gas bill?
Not sure where gas is.
Thanks for tuning into EGTV. Stay tuned for Midnight Rob's Truck Stop Takeover.